Hello, welcome to the short video on how to install an add-on, Keenious add-on. My name is Alberto Romero and I'm one of the librarians here at SMC. To add an Keenious add-on, all you have to do is hover over Student Support and select the library link. From here, we're going to search the research guides for the Keenious guide. Under All Guides, scroll down to Keenious. And then we're going to select the SMC Microsoft Office, Word, and Google Docs. There's information on how to log in. What you want to do is click on this link and then sign in using your SMC email account. From here, you want to select the Word app. Click on a blank document. And you want to hover over this tile here for the add-ons. Click on that and then type in Keenious. And then you want to click on Add. And then you do want to sign in using your SMC email account. And you will be getting an email at your account, your SMC account. Enter that code and then sign in. And once you enter the code that's emailed to you, you'll see this sign here. Once you input that code, you want to continue. And then from here, you should see that you're ready to do your research. That's all there is to it.